Hey my nail lovers, back with another video. As you can see, okay, so right quick I'm gonna show you guys the difference between these nail drills. So you guys see they're kind of like, right, everything's the same, the numbers, the letters, the design. I'm gonna turn it to the back, everything's the same, the size as well, even the knobs are about the same. So I'm about to take off the actual drill piece to show you guys that even the plug is the same. This one's a little hard to get out. I think that's the one I kept dropping. So they're pretty much the same. I'm about to show you guys what they sound like. The one that's really noisy, that dropped a few times, but it did sound louder when I first bought it. But I'll let you guys listen to that in a second.
So while I'm waiting for that clear to set up a little, I'm going to go in.
Alright, so this is where stuff started to look a little different. The names, the colors are a little different. One's white, one's gray. As you can see, the stuff you put your drill bit in, that's basically the only thing that's different about these. So I think they're from like the same manufacturer, pretty much, as you can see. So the Melody Susie one, open this up. It's kind of hard to open for some reason. And the Air C one, hold on. Yeah, let the camera focus a little. Come on. Okay. What was I doing? It's kind of hard to see, you guys, but you see the Melody Susie, it sticks out a little more than the Air C on the left, as you guys can see. Okay, so let's get into the video, you guys. I want to say thank you to my subscribers and my new ones, and you guys, I reached 1K and I'm super excited, and I want to thank you guys. I really do appreciate it. This video, I am doing acrylic on my nails for the first time in like 20 years, I think. I practiced on my index finger a couple of times, and that's about it. But other than that, I haven't done like a full hand before. Okay, so basically, you guys, you want to pull the cuticle back. I'm using this drill bit real quick to basically get all the dead skin and the dead cuticle off. I haven't done it like in 2 months, you guys, so it was a lot on there. So if you guys see me skip my index finger, that is because that's the one I was practicing on, and I've been messing with it, so I didn't really need to do a lot of things to it. It's a nail file for Bona Fide. It's a nail file, Bona Fide Beauty. You can check them on Instagram. On Instagram, I think there's this thing going on. You could get a free nail file, glass nail file for free. So check them out on Instagram and Amazon as well. So I'm just trying to pick out what size of nails I want. Not the size, but what fits me the best. When you do this, you don't want the tip to be too small. It's better to have it a little bit bigger than your actual nail if you can. If the small one doesn't fit, because you could always file that down a little bit, but with the small ones you can't. And that could cause lifting and among other things as well. So after you do that, I learned this from Nails by Gabby. I'll put her thing up on here so you guys know what I'm talking about, but I watch her a lot and she does acrylic nails like all the time, you guys. So basically what she does, you clean your nail bed, she apply just a regular old base coat. She got hers from the Dollar Tree. This was from something I got a while ago, Bond Time. It's a base and top coat, so you just apply that, but make sure it's base. After you do that, you let it dry, and then I'm going to apply the tips, and I just put glue on there and apply the tip down, and it stays on. They're easy to come off. They're really easy to come off. It's not hard to take off at all. It's basically like peel off base coat, but with all the extra work. Like I literally just took the nail off. It was easy. They stay on really good also. I left them on for like 3 days. I could have took them off, but hey, so you guys will see that. Okay, so if you watch me, then you know. If you don't, you're not, you're new. I'm gonna tell you guys. So I use Nail Supply Glamour odorless monomer because I can't stand the smell of regular monomer. It makes me sick. So I'm using that. So this set is slow set, so it's like, FYI, do not do what I did. I was being very lazy and I have a size 8 brush I usually use, and for some reason I decided to use this brush because I feel like it was still sitting in the brush cleaner, so I was in a rush, so I decided to use the big one. That was a big mistake because I forgot it's slow set monomer, and the smaller the brush the better, because you want your beads to be on the drier side, because the slow set monomer it picks up liquid very easily. I mean, not the liquid, but the powder. Like, you need very little liquid for a lot of powder. So right here, it was going fine, as you can tell, with the slow set monomer, and this 10 brush is from Alpha. Yeah, I ordered 2 brushes from them, and I forgot I wanted this brush to be like, for when I do fast sets or whatever with the regular monomer. But yeah, I forgot the brushes are like extra big. They run really big. So yeah, I was trying to work with this, as you guys can see with the brush. It was kind of easy, and for anybody who don't know, when using the slow set monomer, it is kind of oily. Just to let you know that. And to prevent you from having that tacky layer and filing it off, messing up your file, just basically put your hand in some warm water. You can have it in a bowl or run your hand in some warm water. Personally, I would do it for like 60 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds, just to make sure it's completely dry. And after that, you can file and buff and do whatever you want without worrying about that adhesive layer. It's just like glue, a tacky layer, but this, you have to actually file it off. So you guys, I think my first nail went pretty good with this big old brush, I might have say, because it was kind of hard. It got kind of hard towards the end. But yeah. Oh, I forgot to tell you, the acrylic I'm using is Mia's Secret. It's the natural pink or something like that. Yeah, natural pink. So it's basically a tinted pink, I think. A tinted clear with a hint of pink in it. Just a little quick video of me shaping a nail, filing it down. Now I would say when I got towards the thumb, that was kind of hard because the brush was so big and it was picking up so much liquid. No matter what I did, the bead was still super runnery. So small brushes, please, small brushes. Okay, you guys, this is it. Okay, we'll have some problems. Okay, so that middle finger, it popped off and I forgot to file it all the way, so that's why it looks kind of wonky. Okay, and my ring finger, I fixed that one because it was crooked, or one of those fingers, I don't know. But I'm just gonna apply the top coat so you guys can see. And that pinky right there, I decided to use the paper forms, and that kind of went kind of crazy. And as I was filing it, the nail just broke off, so I just left it alone. As you can see that middle finger, you can see the glue's kind of getting glued completely, but that's fine. A little more of the video towards the end. I decided like 2 days later to do my pinky finger, so that will be coming up in a little bit. I am using Model 1's top coat, you guys. So this is after it's been cured and everything. You can see the hint of pink a little bit, but I think I did pretty good, you guys. I think my apex is cool. What you guys think? I didn't want to like show me doing every nail because it got kind of boring and extra long. Kind of hard to do, trying to do it in the camera. Okay, you guys, so I decided to do the pinky over like 2 days later. I'll show you guys what it looked like. And I took some of the polish off, and I primed the nails because I was going to do another video. That video will be coming up really soon. It should tomorrow. Dipped in Pretty. I did these videos like a week ago. So yeah, I got the brush that I wanted to use, and this brush right here, this brush was from AliExpress. It's a size 6. You see I'm using a little bit of monomer. You can barely see it in there because you don't need a lot, like you really don't. And I think if you're a beginner, I would recommend slow set monomer, because you know the other monomers, some monomers can move really fast, some can't, and some who can't stand the smell or you're pregnant or whatever, I will say slow set monomer is the choice for you. It is a learning curve, just like anything you do. So it's like some people want the easy way out, but you know, it's not really hard once you get used to it. You just can't use a lot of liquid. That's it. Just get the ratio down, just like when you do with regular monomer and acrylic. But some people don't like to put their hands in water. But hey, you do what you want to do. So this is for anybody who wants to just see me lay acrylic down. This video is for you. This is towards the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will be designing these bad boys in my next video, and I will catch you in the next one.